class. I'm Karen, and this is Karen's classroom. Karen's English classroom, that is. So please subscribe and like my page. Thank you very much. Today, class, we are going to talk about should and shouldn't. These words give advice or an opinion. Now, sometimes it's very good to give advice or your opinion, and sometimes, no, it's not good. So you might want to ask the person first if they want advice or they want your opinion. Now, should, okay? These are things that you should do. I will give you advice and I will tell you you should do this. So yes. These are things, no, you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't do that. Should not. Should not. Or shouldn't. Should not. Okay, should not. Okay, very good, class. So let's practice here. Okay, so Marco is sick. So Marco is sick. What should, okay, now Marco is he. Marco, he. What should he do? Okay, so now I think I need to give advice or an opinion. Well, he, right, same thing. He, because we're talking about Marco, he should go to the hospital. He should go to the hospital. He, okay, we're still talking about Marco. He shouldn't, okay, should not work, okay? He shouldn't work. So, Marco is sick. What should he do? Question. He should go to the hospital. Good. He shouldn't. He should not. Shouldn't. Same. Work. Okay, the next one is Carla. So Carla is cold. Ooh, cold. Okay? She's cold. What should, okay, so we have Carla. So Carla is a girl, a woman, a lady. What should she do? Okay, so if Carla's cold and she's like, oh, it's so cold. Okay, what should she do? Okay, so she should wear a jacket. Okay, so she should wear a jacket. That's good advice. That's your advice. Wear a jacket. She shouldn't wear a dress. Okay, if it's really cold out, you probably don't want to wear a dress. So, Carla is cold. What should she do? What's my advice? What's my opinion? Advice or opinion? What should she do? She should wear a jacket, right? She shouldn't wear a dress. Now, Carlos is hungry. It's like, oh, very hungry. Okay, so question, what should. Okay, so Carlos is a man, a boy. What should he do? Question. Carlos is hungry. What should he do? So I need your advice or your opinion. What should he do? He should eat. Maybe a sandwich. Okay. All right, so what should he do? He should eat a sandwich. Or anything, it doesn't matter. A sandwich is good though. Okay, he shouldn't be hungry. All right, so there's no need to be hungry. Eat something, okay? So, Carlos is he. Carlos is hungry. What should he, Carlos, what should he do? Question. What should he do? He should eat a sandwich. He should eat a sandwich. He shouldn't be hungry. He shouldn't be hungry. Eat something. All right. I am tired. I am tired. Okay? I am tired. What should I do? What should I do? Okay, if I'm really tired, I'm like, what should I do? Okay? So you should take a nap. Okay, so a little siesta, a nap. Okay, go take maybe an hour, 20 minutes, something. Okay, what should I do? You should take a nap. You shouldn't go to, let's say, the gym. So if you're really tired, you shouldn't go to the gym. Okay? You shouldn't go to the gym if you're really tired. So, I am tired. Okay? I am tired. What should I do? What should I do? I want advice. I want your opinion. You should take a nap. Okay? Take a little nap. You shouldn't go to the gym. Don't go to the gym. Okay? Now, Mary and Tomas are drinking. They're drinking beer, alcohol, tequila, whatever. They're at a party, having a good time. So, Mary and Tomas are drinking. What should they do? Okay, so you know if you're drinking, what should they do? They should call an Uber. Okay, an Uber, a friend, Lyft, a taxi. Just don't drive. Okay, they shouldn't drive. Okay, so Mary and Tomas are drinking. They're at a party, having a good time. It's the weekend. What should they do? Question mark. What should they do? They Mary and Tomas, they, two people, they should, my advice or opinion, this is only my advice or opinion, they should call an Uber. They should call a friend. They should call a taxi. They shouldn't drive. Okay, so no driving. Okay, very good. All right. So class, I hope you learned a lot today about should and shouldn't. So have a wonderful day, class, and I'll see you soon. Bye.